Today, guys, we're playing Melon Playground. May na-left sticker ito, ma'am. May na-left sticker ito. Hello, Kitty. What's it? Yeah, what are you looking at? Why do he have? It's just the Billy it. What's after life? This girl? JY Park? This is JY Park, you know. I don't know, maybe Jessie. Halika. TXT. Today this is Melon drinking AS. Do you know it doesn't have a ano? Doesn't have a sound, I think. Because mine doesn't have.
You don't think I have those emojis in fidgets? Girl, have you seen my collection? Let's get started. The first emoji is a roller skate, and I have a pop mix and match.
Yet I'm not doing anything, so I'm gonna do it now.
I've got one of those in my dimple drawer. It's a perfect match. Next up is an iPhone. Again, too easy. A keyboard might be tricky though. Just kidding, I have one of those too. Now we need to find somebody. I have the perfect fidget for that. Emoji number 6 is a lollipop. 7th emoji is a baby bottle. What would make you think I have that? Yes, I do have it. And last but not least, we need a cookie to go with our milk. Luckily, I found one in my dimple drawer. Challenge complete. You don't think I have those emojis in fidget?
Ranking sour candy reactions that will make you toad tickle.
Bulkakake? Why did you say bulkakake? Can I see?
Ranking sour.
Just wait. Here. Caitlyn. Huh? Huh? I'm like wala. You're like Caitlyn? No. Why did you say that? I said Hey, I don't am get like... that sticker. You not is girl. You're not is girl.
Silas,
Just
huwag
a
mo
circle.
inaaway si Caitlyn sa labas, ha? Oo, ano man din siya.
Sino? Sino si teacher?
Caitlyn?
Eh,
Huwag mo away sa labas. Kung wala siyang ginagawa sa'yo, pabayaan mo siya.
nag-jump siya. Tapos, parang happiness. Happy lang yan. Basta sad yun.
Ignore mo na lang siya. Ano? Huwag lang... Hala, ikaw ang
Hello,
bully.
cat. Yoo-hoo! Ah! Orange. Watch what I just read.
Ang daw may kasalanan sa winter storm si ano, si Elsa, anak.
Sushi Monster. Watch it.
Winter storm sa US, di ba sa Russia tapos na?
Pasta time! All pasta, instant pasta
They're
ready
too
in
loud.
just 3 minutes.
Kala ko ba the past is in the past?
Ayun, natin mo nahuli siya. Charot. Sabi ni Elsa, let me go.
Never bothered her anymore.
Say last, huwag mo nasasaktan si Zoe. Ha?
Ha? Eh, ate kang part of the family. Ikaw nga sinasabi na ayaw mga akong brother. Today, guys. Watch.
I need to fart.
Fart at labas.
Where are you gonna fart?
Si Jerry, 1,000 pesos bilhin ni Jerry.
Ganap ko kanina asking fart na ito sa
They are my ano, like my anak noon.
Can you what?
I was their mama.
Didi. Why?
Sour love soda.
Maganda sa mga trabaho. So you're still respect you kahit hindi ka katrabaho. At saka ninang kasi yan ni Baste, ate. Si Ruby ninang ni Baste. Si Giselle ninang mo. Sino bang nandyan? Sampu kasi yan kay Jeric, sampu sa'yo.
Banana. More.
Ito, si Charles Lagamson.
The sun moves na up sana sana na goza na potla di na di Jill's gonna steal your gifts. Da. Taking some milk from Mama. Delete. Leave. Now, melon. Pew. Melon, pew, boom. Chris? Sora AI. Straight to smash. How big is this?
Tandaan ko, yung mga ticket na nagsisimula sa Tutu. Ay, basta no? Tutu.
Saan? Ending? Sa start. Alam ko na yung chords ng Tonya. Toyang pala. Tonyan pala. Did I miss that? Did I miss that update? Oh my
New
gosh.
glitch with water jelly. New glitch with water jelly.
Oh. Emma.